Now next topic is numerical integration. Let y is equal to fx denote the function for equally spaced points x0, x0 plus h, x0 plus 2h and x0 plus nh corresponding to values of y, y0, y1, y2, y3 up to yn. As there are n intervals. Then integration from a to b fx dx represent the area between the curve y is equal to fx. Now the first rule is trapezoidal rule. The rule is integration from x0 to xn, means initial value of x and last value of x. Integration x0 to xn fx dx is h by 2 in bracket y0 plus yn plus 2 times in the bracket y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus yn minus 1. That means if we have to remember, we can use this method h by 2 in bracket sum of the first and last ordinate plus 2 times sum of the remaining ordinates. Formula is very simple. H by 2 in bracket sum of the first and last ordinate plus 2 times sum of the remaining ordinates. Now second rule is Simpson's 1/3 rule. Integration x0 to xn fx dx is h by 3. It is called as 1/3 because it is divided by 3. Therefore it is 1/3 rule. H by 3 in bracket y0 plus yn plus 2 times y2 plus y4 plus y6 plus dash dash and plus 4 times y1 plus y3 plus y5 and dash dash, means so on. Or in simple way we can remember this as h by 3 in bracket sum of the first and last ordinate plus 2 times sum of the odd ordinates. Here suffix is 246, but that is not mean by even. That is at odd place. y2 is at odd place because the first value is y0. So 2 times sum of the odd ordinates plus 4 times sum of the even ordinates. Actually suffix are here 1, 3, 5. These are odd numbers, but these y1, y3, y5 are at the even place. Therefore these are called as even ordinates. And the next rule is Simpson's 3/8 rule. Integration x0 to xn fx dx is equal to 3/8 into h. Therefore it is called as 3/8 rule. 3/8 into h in bracket y0 plus yn plus 3 times y1 plus y2 plus y4 plus y5 and so on, and plus 2 times y3 plus y6 plus y9. Here for remembrance 3h by 8 in bracket first plus last. This is common for 3 formulae, first plus last. But first remember here 2 times multiplication is a suffix. Remember here suffixes 3, 6, 9 and then remaining ordinates are in 3 types y1, y2, y4, y5. Now but there is one condition. Note that to apply Simpson's 1/3 rule, the number of intervals, that is called as n, must be even. Means even means what? Number of intervals should be in numbers of even number, that is 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. And that is number of ordinates must be odd. To apply Simpson's 3/8 rule, the number of intervals, that is called as n, should be multiple of 3. Multiple of 3, that means 3 6, 9 and so on. Now we will solve one problem in which all three rules we can use. Then first example is evaluate integration from -3 to +3 x raised to 4 dx by trapezoidal rule Simpson's 1/3 rule and Simpson's 3/8 rule. Now we know that y is a function of x. Y is f of x. Therefore here fx is x raised to 4. Y is actually function of x, then it is x raised to 4. Then interval length is b minus a. That means upper limit b minus a means upper limit minus lower limit upper limit minus lower limit, that is 3 minus of -3, that is equal to interval length is 6. Now we have to divide this 6, divide interval length into 6 parts. Then h is b minus a upon 6, that is 6/6, that is equal to 1. H is 1, means if x values are -3, x value is -3, first starting value is -3, then difference should be 1. H means difference between these values of x, -3, then -2, next -1, next will be 0, increase by 1, that is 1, then 2 and 3. Limit means initial value of x, that is -3, and last value of x is +3, that is a limit -3 to +3. Now for these values of x, we have to find y. Y is equal to x raised to 4. Y is equal to x raised to 4. That means the values, corresponding values of y. The function is x raised to 4. Then the values of y means take x as a minus 3 raised to 4, minus 2 raised to 4, minus 1 raised to 4, 0, 1 raised to 4, 2 raised to 4, 3 raised to 4. X raised to 4 means take x value and its power 4, minus 3 raised to 4. Then values of y. Y values are 3 raised to 4 means 81, 2 raised to 4 means 16, minus 1 raised to 4 is plus 1. When power is even or negative sign, the value should be positive. So therefore all values, if minus is there but power is even, values are positive. The next value is 0, 1 raised to 4 is 1, 2 raised to 4 is 16, and 3 raised to 4 is 81. These are values of y. Now first value of y is called as here y0, second value is y1, third value is y2, then y4, y5, y6, y7. Means these are the y ordinates. Now this y0 means this is the first ordinate. This is first. This is last. First and last ordinates. y1 is at the place of even ordinate. y2 is at the place of odd. y4 is y1, y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6. y0 is first, y1 is at the place of even, y2 is at the place of odd, y3 is at the place of even, y4 is at the place of odd, and y5 is at the place of even ordinate. The meaning of odd and even ordinates. Second place means even and third place means odd. Fourth place means even. Now first we have to use trapezoidal rule. First rule is trapezoidal rule. Integration from x0 to xn f of x dx is equal to h by 2 in bracket y0 plus yn plus 2 times y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4 dash dash. Now we have to remember this as first plus last ordinate and plus 2 times remaining ordinates and h by 2 value. Now x0 means first value of x. This is x0, that is limit. This is x0 and last is xn, means minus 3 to plus 3. Function fx is x raised to 4. This is function x raised to 4 dx, means our integration is equal to h. H is 1. 1 means it is difference between the x ordinate, that is 1 by 2 into y0 means first ordinate, that is 81. First ordinate plus last ordinate plus 2 times remaining ordinates. So y0 plus y6, otherwise first we have to write this formula. First value क्या है? First value is y0, last is y6 plus 2 times remaining ordinates y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4 plus y5. First in terms of y1, y2, y3. 1 by 2, 1 is h, first plus last ordinate means y0 plus y6 and 2 times all remaining ordinates y1, y2, y3, y4, y5. Now put your values. 1 by 2 means 0.5 in bracket, y0 is 81, y6 is also 81 plus 2 times y1 is 16 plus y2 is 1, y3 0, y3 0, y4 is also 1 and y5 is 16. And after calculation the answer will be 115. Means integration of x raised to 4 between minus 3 to plus 3 is 115. Second rule is Simpson's 1/3 rule. Now first we have to see that number of intervals should be even. Length of interval, number of interval means length of interval should be even. Interval means minus 3 to plus 3, this is first interval 1, minus 2 to minus 1, this is second interval, minus 1 to 0, third interval, minus 0 to 1, fourth interval, and 1 to 2, fifth interval, and 2 to 3, sixth interval. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are how many ordinates? 7 ordinates. Ordinate means values of x. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 values of x. That means 7 ordinate, but intervals are 6. Now here number of condition is number of intervals are 6. Number of intervals, that is n. That n value is 6 and that value is even, and therefore we can use Simpson's 1/3 rule. Now formula is integration from minus 3 to plus 3 fx dx is equal to 1/3 means 1 by 3 h, therefore h by 3 sum of first plus last, sum of first plus last, y0 plus yn plus 2 times y2 plus y4 plus y6, all odd ordinates, y2 plus y4 plus y6 dash dash, and plus, this is general formula, plus 3 times y1 plus y3 plus y5 and dash dash. This is general formula, but here it should be x0 to xn. This is general formula, but now our integration is minus 3 to plus 3, fx is x raised to 4 dx is equal to h is 1 by 3. First ordinate is here y0, first plus last, y0 plus y6 plus 2 times 2 times odd ordinates, y2 plus odd ordinates means y2 plus y4, not y6, because y6 is already in first term, so this ordinate should not be repeated. So only 2 times odd ordinates means y2 plus y4, not y6, only y2 plus y4, and plus 3 times even ordinates. Even means y1, y3 and y5. y1, y3, y5. 1 by 3, y0 first value is 81, y6 value is also 81, plus 2 times y2 plus y4, y2 is 1, y4 is also 1, 1 plus 1, plus 3 times y1 plus y3 plus y5. y1 is 16, then y3 is 0, and again 16. 16 plus 0 plus 16. Now after calculation, 2 times, and this is not 3 times, sorry, this is 4 times. 4 times y1, y3, y5. 4 times. Then answer is minus 3 to plus 3, x raised to 4 dx by 1/3 is 98. 2 times odd ordinates and 4 times even ordinates. Next tool is 3 by 8. For third rule, we can also solve this by Simpson's 3 by 8 rule. Now first see the number of intervals always for 3 by 8 or 1/3 rule. The number of intervals are 6. N value is 6. Intervals are 6, and these intervals are multiple of 3. 6 is multiple of 3, and therefore we can use 3/8 rule. Now first formula is integration. This is general formula, x0 to xn fx dx is equal to 3/8 into h in bracket. First is y0 plus yn. First plus last ordinate. First term is common for all. 2 times, then formula is 3 times y1 plus y2 plus y4. 3 times y1 plus y2 plus y4 plus y5 dash dash, and plus 2 times y3 y6 y9. 2 times y3 y6 y9 and so on. This is general formula. This is not for this example. Now integration x0 to x0 means minus 3 to plus 3 x raised to 4 dx is equal to 3/8. H value is 1. Sum of the first plus last ordinate, that means first ordinate is y0, last ordinate is y6. y0 plus y6 plus 3 times y1 y2 y4 and y5, and plus 2 times y3 y6 y9, but in this only y3 because y6 is already in first term, so ordinate should not be repeated. Then put these values. (3/8) y0 plus y6. y0 is 81. y6 is also 81 plus 3 times y1. First value y1 is 16. y1 plus y2, that is plus 1, plus y1 y2 y4 plus 1 y5 plus 16, and plus 2 times y3. y3 is 0. After this calculation, the last answer will be 99. In this way, we find the integration of x raised to 4 between minus 3 to plus 3 by using all these 3 rules. Now see, there is some difference between answer of trapezoidal rule, 1/3 rule, and 3/8 rule. Answer is 1/15 in trapezoidal rule. There is some error. In 1/3 rule, 98 and 99, these are near about same, but we can find answer approximately, not exact answer. Now we can check this answer by using our regular integration. Suppose integration minus 3 to plus 3 x raised to 4 dx. We can solve it by usual method. Integration of x raised to 4 is x raised to 5 upon 5. from